Hi, hi everybody. In this video, I will be talking about Moroccan tea recipe. Tea is one of the most popular drinks in my country, Morocco, and worldwide. It is said that Moroccans drink tea more than water. I think that's true because they love it very much. It's part of their culture and it's part of their daily favorite drinks as well. There are three main types of Moroccan tea. First, mint tea, and it is prepared in a larger teapot and big cups with mint. It is often tastes sweet. It is very popular in central cities such as Marrakesh, Sawara, Tiznit, Agadir, and so on. Strong tea. It is most popular in Sahara Desert. It is very popular in... How much tea do Moroccan drinks? I think 3 cups is the norm, especially in the south, in Sahara. But some people can drink more or less. It depends on how much they like it or dislike it. If you are in the south of Morocco, it's not respectable to start a tea party with somebody and to drink only 1 cup and to leave. If you start a tea party, so you have to finish 3 cups, that seems to be rude and impolite if you leave before you finish the tea party. Here are some accessories you need to use if you want to prepare tea for your guests or for your visitors. Tea product, teapot, cups and a tray, gas bottle, sugar canister and teapot. So these are the materials you do need actually to prepare tea. Be careful here. If you are in the south of Morocco and you're preparing tea for visitors or for a guest or for a group of people, there are some rules to follow. First, you should clean your hands. You should not touch your nose, your face, or unclean object or something unclean. It's rude to touch your toes or part of your body which is supposed to be unclean while preparing tea for your visitors. How to make tea? So number 1, boil some water in the kettle. Fill in the teapot with water and add some tea. Place the teapot on a fine stove and boil 10 or 8 minutes. Turn off the stove, put the teapot down on the tray, add sugar and mix. Taste to make sure it's sweet enough and serve.